Peace, love, and life, family. SEK the Homesteader here in the kitchen. But I'm not cooking today, you guys. But I do got some special recipes coming up for you guys real soon. I hope everyone is doing well. If you are new to my channel, my name is SEK the Homesteader. And I love homesteading, cooking, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But anyway, thank you for tuning in. But today, Essie is not cooking, but I wanted to bring an unboxing to you guys. And if any of you guys have this, please drop me a line and let me know what you're doing with it. I'm excited about this. Every year, I treat myself to an appliance. I am an appliance junkie, gadgets, kitchen gadgets, all that stuff. So I treated myself to two things, actually three. But one thing, everybody probably have that in their kitchen. But I treated myself, and guess what Essie treated herself to? Hold on, because it's a big mamma jamma. Bam! All right, you guys. So I've been wanting one of these for a minute now. One of my dear friends have one. She loves to cook like me, and she is an appliance junkie just like me. And she was like, "Boo, if you don't hurry up and get that doggone Ninja Escape stuff." So I treated myself to one, the Ninjafoodi. And I actually wanted to get the grill because I'm hearing so much about this fancy grill. So if any of you guys have this Ninjafoodi pressure cooker, please let me know, and let me know what you're doing. I'm hoping I can get to using this week. Y'all know the first attempt I'm gonna do was fried chicken, right? I'm sure everybody's done that. Okay, so here's the instructions and all the other different things that they make as well. I know they do a lot of I think blenders as well as cook items. Okay, let's see what we're working with, because this thing is really big. Oh yeah, it's super big. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all drop me a line and let me know if you guys got one and what you're doing with it. Because I know this thing do a lot of stuff from what I'm hearing. And this was not a bad price, you guys. I got this for, I think it was, I'm sure it was like $129. And when I took a picture of it and showed it to my girlfriend in Walmart, she said, "Girl, if you don't hurry up and cop that," I was like, okay. I'm gonna cop that right now. Oh man, this thing is beautiful. Okay, wait, let's see. I should have took it out the other way. I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put it down and pull it out. Hold on, you guys. There we go. Oh yeah, she's a big mamma jamma. Good grief. It's heavier than me. Oh man. Hold on, let me make sure ain't nothing else in this box. Alright. Wow. That's a beauty right there. Jeez. Okay. I'm taking everything off because I know I'll be in the kitchen all next week playing with this thing. I'll probably be playing with it tomorrow. Y'all probably say, "Why wait till next week, Essie? Play with it tonight." Oh. She's a beauty. Okay. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm definitely going to get to these directions this evening after I finish running and doing my errands. got two different tops, and I'm sure you retract one to use another one. I guess that has to be the way. Wow, jeez. Okay, here's all the training tools. Oh yeah, you got your pressure top, and here's this other thing. Okay, yeah, you got two different lids. You got your crisping lid, and you have your pressure lid, your removable cooking pot, and then your cook and crisp basket with detachable diffuser. Okay, reversible rack. Okay, wow, she is a bad mama jamma, like her owner. Nobody said Effie is a hot mess. Ooh wee. Okay, let me get all this stuff out of here, because this is like a house of boxes. I ain't never seen no house keep boxes the way my house keep boxes. All right, y'all see that? Wow. All right, you guys. I'm gonna see what this thing do, but I gotta read these directions, and it has the cooking sheet. Let's see, let's open this up. Oh wow. So it has a nice cooking sheet that teaches you all the different things that you can cook in it. So that's the cooking sheet. And then it has a regular owner's manual, and it has a nice cookbook. A nice cookbook. Y'all see that? And then it has another little recipe, homemade vanilla yogurt. That's probably in the book as well. Can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see that. Okay, so we got the cookbook, we got the directions, and then we have this chart. I'm probably gonna stick this chart somewhere, probably on my wall over here or on the side of here. So it has all the different meats: pork shoulder, chicken, brown rice, white rice, potatoes, carrots, fresh beans, asparagus, corn, broccoli, breaded frozen chicken, chicken nuggets, frozen fries, fresh burgers, fresh Brussels sprouts, frozen New York strips, frozen chicken wings, head of cauliflower, ribs, fresh whole roast chicken. So you're gonna pretty much be able to cook everything in here and some. I can't wait to see what that book is looking like. So that is the cooking sheet. All right, you guys. So that is my Ninjafoodi. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get to this. Y'all know I'm like a kid in a candy store when it comes to these kind of gadgets, these kind of appliances. Oh my gosh, she is just beautiful. Let me turn her around. And she's heavy too. She might have to stay on the counter. I'm probably gonna have to make counter space over here or over here. I have a fryer right here that I do use, but I'm probably gonna have to shift it so that this beauty can stay over here. I do have like a bread basket back there that I don't even use. I just throw stuff in there. So I'm probably gonna have to shift some things around so that she can sit on the counter, because on my appliance rack she can sit there, but to be tugging this, I would say she's probably about maybe 20 pounds. I would think, yeah, I think about 20 pounds or more. I definitely don't want to be lugging her, you know, taking her off the rack when I want to use her. So there you have it for my Ninjafoodi. Now, I don't know if you guys have the grill. Drop me a line and let me know if you have the grill, and also if you have this, let me know how you loving it, what you cooking in it. You probably cooking everything, but the grill is gangster. I definitely want the grill, but they did not have the grill in Walmart, so that's why I didn't get it. They probably got sold out. The prices was really good on this. I was shocked that they even still had more of these with that price. But I actually was looking at these during Mother's Day, and I was like, dang, they gotta get cheaper, But it never did. But the other day I caught it for some reason, and it like I said, it was a good price. But I want that grill. The grill is so fancy that it has a thermometer attached to it. So when you set your meat on the rack, you can stick the thermometer in your meat, and you can have it done the way you want it, medium rare. Well, it's real fancy like that. I call it the smart grill. But so this is my Ninjafoodi, and I cannot wait to use her. I'm probably gonna read her directions in the car today, because I have some errands to run, and you know, try to master these directions. I'm sure it's not rocket science. I'm sure it's easy to use, but I want to make sure I know what I'm doing, especially with this other contraction top, which is the pressure part. I think that's the pressure part. Yeah. I think that's the pressure part. I would have to look at the chart again. But yeah, you guys, so this is my unboxing of my Foodie Ninja. Okay, so I got another unboxing, but I think for some reason I'm running out of space, and YouTube don't allow you to load up if it's more than 15 minutes from your phone or from your pad. So they acting kind of weird like that. But I got one more unboxing, and you guys stay tuned, and I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget, drop me a line, let me know what you're doing with this bad mama jamma. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit on the next video. Peace.